In this video, I will explain how to take screenshots of your computer system. Screenshot means a part of the screen you can take that as a picture and you can insert that picture into your document. So, here is the option in Insert tab Screenshot. Before that, before using this option, first minimize this one and open the area in the computer to which you want to make screenshot. For example, I want to take desktop as a screenshot. So, I open desktop. So, right now I am going to use screenshot option. So, click on screenshot and screen clipping option and automatically it will retrieve desktop area. Now, click on the area and keep on drag. Suppose I want screenshot up to this, okay, and release the button. So, immediately that particular screen what you selected will come to the Word document area. So, this is like a picture. You can minimize and you can do any other picture formats like what you applied previously to the picture, and you can increase the brightness using different corrections, okay, like this. Okay. Now, I am going to remove this one by selecting and applying delete button in the keyboard. Next time, I want to take a screenshot of Explorer, means Files Explorer or the Documents area, what I am having the documents in my computer. So, this is I want. Right now, I open this particular screen documents by pressing window key and E. Window key in the keyboard and E is the shortcut key to open. See, window key and then press E. So, immediately it will open the browsing area, or we can say Windows Explorer, or where you can found all the files and folders of your computer. So, I am selecting documents here. Now, I want to make this as a screenshot. So, by pressing Alt tab, Alt and tab, go to MS Word, and you can come to the area by pressing Alt tab. You can come to the documents area. Alt tab. You can shift between any application already what you already opened. Okay. Now, I am going to insert and screenshot option. There already available previously taken screenshots are there. I am pressing on screen clipping. Now, that particular documents area is open. Now, click on the top left corner and keep on drag. The highlighted area up to the highlighted area, it will take a shot. Suppose I want up to this. So, it will takes the shot and immediately it will retrieve to your document. This is very helpful while taking the running computer screenshots to your document. Okay.